Hey, welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today's lesson is identify the axis of symmetry by changing the given equation into standard form first.
The axis of symmetry is a line that cuts the parabola right in the middle. The equation to find the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. Given the equation negative x squared plus 8x minus 2y minus 24 equals 0. We want to get this equation into standard form, so we need to get y by itself. First, we will add x squared to both sides, then we will subtract negative 8x to both sides, and we will also add 24 to both sides to get y by itself. Now bring negative 2y down and divide both sides by negative 2 to get y equals negative 1/2 x squared plus 4x minus 12. This equation is now in standard form. Since the standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, we can now find the axis of symmetry with the equation x equals negative b over 2a. So now all we do is plug in the numbers from the standard form equation. When we do that, we get x equals negative 4 divided by 2 times negative 1/2 because b equals 4 and a equals negative 1/2. Knowing this, we can now solve 2 times negative 1/2 equals negative 2 over 2, which simplifies to negative 1. Now we have x equals negative 4 over negative 1, which simplifies to x equals 4, and that is your axis of symmetry.
Given the equation negative 2x squared minus 6x plus 2y minus 40 equals 2, the goal is to turn this equation into standard form. First, you need to get the y by itself. Start by adding 2x squared to both sides, and then add 6x to both sides. Carry the 2y down and add the 40 to both sides. Then, divide 2 on both sides to isolate the y. The standard form will then be y equals x squared plus 3x plus 21.
With the equation x equals negative b over 2a, we can use this to find the axis of symmetry. First, you plug in a, which in this case is 1, and b, which is 3. You will then get negative 3 divided by 2 times 1. This is simplified to negative 3 over 2. Given the equation negative x squared plus 15x plus 6y minus 34 equals 3x plus 2, we want to get this equation in standard form, so we need to isolate y. First, we start by adding everything on the right side except for 6y to the left side of the equation. Now we have the equation 6y equals x squared minus 2x plus 36. To completely isolate y, we need to divide everything by 6 to get y equals 1 over 6x squared minus 2x plus 6. Now our equation is in standard form. This equation is the same as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, meaning that 1/6 equals a, negative 2 equals b, and 6 equals c. Now to find the axis of symmetry, we will use the equation x equals negative b over 2a. Now plug in for a and b and simplify. This is your axis of symmetry.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Please. Thanks. Bye.